welcome to day 99 of our BitClout journey. Today we have some news that's pretty exciting. Brian, would you like to touch on that?
Yes, there are two main things. The first one is that BitClout has released this huge list of frequently asked questions. Basically, there were some developers who provided a bunch of questions from the community to Diamond Hands, and Diamond Hands basically he replied to them all and gave a lot of insight into what's going on. And I think the first thing that really stuck out to me was that there was a question asking Diamond Hands, do you plan on working with any other major social media platforms?
Sorry for looking at you.
Do you plan on working with any other social media platforms? And he said exchanges are greater than social media platforms because it gives them an immediate foot in the door for social. And he said that there's more to come here. So is like Coinbase going to roll out their own social media platform? I don't know.
I mean, that's really interesting. Like, does Coinbase need a social media platform? Do you think that would be helpful to them?
I mean, they went public, so they're looking to grow. So it's definitely something that I could see happening. Some other things that he said in the frequently asked questions was that NFTs are coming, but they're actually reaching out to the community for some insight and some input. The reason, the way they see coin price is that it helps spread positivity and unity over toxicity and division.
Which is kind of like what we've been saying all along. Like, I think you got to start viewing coin price as a means to help spread positivity rather than, as an ego booster.
Yeah, and it just reinforces everything we've been saying about why we love BitClout so much. And now the other big piece of news, there's a lot more in the frequently asked questions. You can check out a post we have where we kind of went over some of the major bullet points, so check that out. But the other big piece of news is that there's more code on GitHub related to NFTs, and you can actually see what their minting page is going to look like, or for now it's a work in progress what it looks like. And there's actually a way to give a percentage of sales as a royalty to coin holders, and you can set that percentage.
Now it's not clear if when you first make that initial sale, if the coin holders are going to get a percentage or not, or if it would only be for the secondary market sales. So that's something that's going to have to be clarified in the future. Maybe you'll have the option to give royalties for just the initial sale or just the secondary sales, or maybe both. I imagine there's going to be some sort of option for that.
Yeah, and there's also a segment where you can put in creator royalties. So like other platforms like Rarible, where you can maybe set a royalty where if your piece is resold in the open market over and over again, you get a percentage for life. I think that's actually going to be in this, and I think that's awesome.
Yeah. And yeah, so the FAQ and the NFT news, I think they're both great things. We're seeing more and more celebrities and influencers come onto the platform and get verified, so that's also good.
Yeah, and this bird up here is really loud, so I hope you can hear us. But I think that's probably it, huh?
Yeah, I think that's a great place to leave off on day 99, and tomorrow's the big 100.
Yeah, day 100, which is actually the day before Independence Day.
Yep. So we can have happy 3rd of July and happy 4th of July.
Yep. All right. See you guys.